Have the need to conveniently travel and shop the cities of the world? We feature Mobilivery exclusively at Xenophi, a catered shop and delivery service designed for your every indulgence. How about a rendezvous or seamless travel commute? Your journey to elegance begins here. Xenophi opens a window to shopping like you've never experienced before. Lush, lavish, luxurious. Welcome to Chicago. Tired of driving to the store and battling crowds? Simplify with Xenophi's Mobilivery. Perfumes and specialty beauty care delivered to your door. Discover our selection of handbags, gadgets, watches, and fashion accessories. Convenience redefined. Browse online or in person with delivery on demand. Same-day service on a vast selection of products, arriving timely at your door. Xenophi, where luxury meets you.